right, we're on our way to 1108. I actually forgot to do the walkthrough on this one before we started doing some work. Yeah, we had some plumbing work, and I've also just started some work on a windowsill, but I had to give you the walkthrough, so. Alright, so 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, 11th floor, highest floor of the penthouse. Actually, probably you can't tell, but the ceilings in here are about a foot higher than all the rest of the floors. The 11th floor is just a little taller. Just big people, you know. So, as I mentioned, we already started. Doing some work. We've had a problem with some of these pipes breaking off and rusting, just corroding. So we're actually just going to replace them here. So that's what we had to make some clearance for the plumber to come in. Overall, this one looks pretty good. A little bit abused for the short term. This actually was one of my first flips about 4 years ago. I recall because I remember these lights and everything in here, but there's a lot of, these were touch-ups from before, I think, or the tenant may have done them. I don't know, they're pretty bad. So we're actually going to do a full paint job on this one. Yeah, this had terrible. I wonder if the tenant did that. Huh. Strange. Anyways, so bedroom looks pretty good. These lights are actually the ones that we got during the coronavirus. That's how I remember I did this flip, but I don't always remember them very well. So, and we only have 1 and 2 little ladybugs. Usually get a lot more. Oh, I see some on the screen. You get a lot of them this time of year. This year was kind of weird. We actually didn't get very many of them. I think it was just because of the weird summer we had. That's very strange. Anyways, closet here at the end. The door's rubbing. I'll have to look at how the hinges are set on that one. Yeah, a lot of touch-up stuff. This looks terrible. I didn't do that, did I? Hope to God not. And actually, I had to show you these. This is another one of these bad windows. And I know for a fact I didn't do this, but I'm thinking the previous maintenance person did, because I wouldn't have allowed this. This is buttering. So remember we talked about how this rots away, and it's a metal sill. But the thing is when they repair it, people have done this in the past where they've used just wall compound. Look at this. This is just wall compound, and actually if you feel it, it's just soaking wet. So, of course, since it's not waterproof, what does it do? Well, it just soaks up all that water. Well, what does water do to the metal sill below it? It just rots it away, so look at how bad that is. So, yeah, somebody buttered this, which is the worst thing you can do to it. It just actually makes the problem worse. It just does. This metal sill just rots away. I mean, look, watch this. I get underneath this thing. You can see all those sorts of. That's all sorts coming up too. That's gonna be a bad one. That's gonna be bad. It's a lot more work. See how? Yeah, see, this is the problem. Isn't that just terrible? Very good though, of course. But yeah, look at this. And this may be one of these ones that I completely tear out the metal sill. This is deep in there. Yeah, I'm not too happy, but I wasn't here to monitor people. So we got this issue to deal with. This is really bad. Why is there a bug in here? Why is there a bug in here? Mr. Bug. What you doing in here, bro? Okay. Yeah, this is the new guy once. I need to get cracking on this one sooner than later. Yeah, so basically the wall compound is just the worst thing ever. And again, it should have been done in some sort of waterproof material, like stucco, or, I mean, yeah, stucco. I mean, obviously you could do it in concrete material. But what I meant was like Bondo, especially if you're just dealing with surface material like this. That stuff isn't water absorbing. It's really quite strong. Probably would outlast the building. Look at that, how bad that is. See this? I don't know how much fun this is. Not too pleased, but yeah, that's that. I think there was a little damage over here too. So I saw a little bit. This one's not so bad, but same thing though, you can see. It's compound. Plaster, whatever it is, but it's not appropriate material. So yeah, this one a little bit, not so bad. Turned out pretty good, so. Anyways, the kitchen looks really good. Yeah, this is 11:08. Carpets are going by, flooring is being replaced. The stove and refrigerator are staying there, actually in pretty good condition, both fairly new. But yeah, this is going to be a bit of work. So I need to get started on this pretty soon. Get my big grinder out. There's so much hop to it. And you can see how it's got a crack right here. Oops. I broke that. This looks like a repair. I'm starting to get some caulking in it.